So this video is about how to change the band on your Casio F-108WH watch. And I'm just gonna get it right into it. I'm not gonna go into any kind of long backstory about how my dad was a watch or whatever. So what I already took off the old resin strap that it comes with, but basically what it is, what's holding it to your watch is the spring. Okay, and you can press it down on both ends, but it's really tiny. It's really hard to do. So I don't know how they expect you to do that, but I'm just using my pocket knife with the flat head. And what I did was just get right up here to the edge, press down on it, and then push, press down and then push down, and then eventually you can get it. And because it's a spring, it sometimes can fly away, but there you go. And then if you're buying a replacement watch band, which I will do eventually, you just slip it in there and then return it back to your watch with some finessing. Okay, finally got it. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching. I am planning to do more videos on fountain pens in the future, so look forward to that. And until next time, have a good one.